Hello folks, Dave Schulke here to help you find a leak in a condo. Let's get right to it. Alright folks, so we're going to build our containments down below, and as we're doing that, we're running water down the drain right here. We're going to run water for about 30 minutes or so. This is a common area issue, so we're at the lowest point. Let's run water down the drain to determine if it's the drain pipe that maybe have a crack. All right folks, so here we are directly under where all that rainwater came in. As you can see, we're going to be building a containment here. And then over here, we're going to end up building another containment on this side. Pretty much this kitchen flooded out during the heavy rain. There is mold inside these ceilings, so we've got to build proper zipper door containments. We're going to neutralize the mold, and then we're going to start running our tests. Right now, though, is a good time to run water down a drain, and that's what we're doing right now. As of right now, we're not getting any water. It's a good sign, but we got to get these walls opened up. All right, as you can see, we've completely sealed the contained area. So we are ready to open up. All right, so now you can see we've got the holes opened up. Now we can visually see the wood. Really gives us a way to watch the water pattern, and the stains is a good sign of where the water's coming from. So that's why it's important to open up. All right folks, so HOA, condominiums, a bit different from a house. In this particular situation, we have to determine if this is a common area issue or the homeowner. We're up on a deck right now where it rained and caused severe damage and mold into the kitchen down below. And the CC&Rs, which is basically the rules of a condominium regime, really is exterior walls, the decking is the responsibility of the HOA. Thresholds and doors are the homeowner's responsibility. So we have to determine, is it a common area or is it the homeowner? Let us show you the first step we're going to take. All right folks, so we know it's not the drain. The deck seems to be holding up. This has been holding water for a good 40 minutes. So what we've done is we ran the hose closer to this area here, just keeping it on the deck. So we started with the drain, we started with the deck area, and we're working our way this way to roll this entire deck to see if it's compromised or not. So far, the deck's looking pretty good. All right, folks, so we need to determine, because this is an HOA responsibility, what we're gonna do is seal the door off, seal this area off down below. We're gonna run water here first in this crack to determine if there's water leaking down below. Typically, I always educate that we start at the lowest point, but in this particular situation, we're gonna start with the HOA's responsibility, then work our way down to determine if it's the exterior wall or the threshold. All right, folks, we've pretty much ruled out that the drain and the deck are in good shape. We're gonna use this nozzle right here, and now we're gonna start injecting water into this common area here and see what we get down below. A little closer now. Getting closer. folks, you can see we're running water. Right alongside that stucco wall where the door frame is, and we're getting quite a bit of water coming right down these cabinets right here. In fact, look at the damage that it's caused. And the puddling here. We got some, looks like Stachybotrys, which is a mold. All right, folks, so now we know that this is leaking here, as well as the light fixture. So now what we're gonna do is start focusing on the doors, which is the homeowner's responsibility. So we've kind of ruled out and confirmed that a lot of this water is coming from the common area. So hopefully this helped give you some helpful tips on how to find those leaks in a condo. And if you like more videos like this, make sure you give us a thumbs up, leave your comments, and make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching.